Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable repeated notification alerts on this device. Simply go to the settings, tap on the option notifications, tap on advanced settings. Here you can see the option repeat notification alerts. Tap on this one. First of all, turn on this option. So here you can see the option apps to repeat alerts. From here you need to select the application that you want to send the repeat notification alerts. Here I am going to turn on for the calendar. And here you can see the option repeat intervals. Here you can from 3 minutes to 15 minutes you can set the time. I am going to set for the 10 minutes. Simply in this way we can enable repeat notification alerts on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.